This is how you can play Organic Molecules Bingo remotely. There are two links below for the bingo game. The first link is for your bingo card. This link will randomly sort vocabulary terms into bingo cards. And then the second link will randomly bring up definitions for terms. So this will call out the definitions, and then if you have that term that matches that definition, you can select it on your bingo card. What I suggest you do is split your screen on your Chromebook by pressing Alt and then the two brackets. Then I'll split your screen, and then you can pull out one of the tabs and put it next to it. That way you can have the definition collar and then the bingo card side by side on your Chromebook screen. So then you can press this button here that'll spin the wheel and pull up a definition. So we have the 6 major elements found in living things. That is CHNOPS. Then I can look at my bingo card and I see that I have that, so I can put a marker on it. And then I can keep spinning this until I get bingo. So a fatty acid that comes from lipids and is liquid at room temperature. So that is unsaturated. So the purpose of this activity is for you to practice reviewing all of this vocab, and we will play some bingo in class too, but this is just so you can do some review on your own.